Welcome everybody. This is Jay at the Math Gymnasium, and what I want to introduce you to during this live lecture is the power rule for exponents. Now, previously we talked about the product rule, and with the product rule we added exponents when we multiplied two terms. Now the power rule is slightly different. What the power rule involves is having a term that's raised to a power, and then that term itself is raised to a power a second time. And to simplify expressions like that, we have to apply the power rule, and the power rule basically tells us to multiply the exponents. So let's do an example that demonstrates this. Suppose I have 4 to the third power in parentheses, and it's raised to the second power. Well, what I would do is multiply the exponents. So we have an exponent of 3 and an exponent of 2. 3 times 2 is 6. I keep my base 4 the same. So my final answer is 4 to the 6th power. That's how the power rule works. The main thing is make sure we don't confuse the power rule with the product rule, because the product rule we add exponents, the power rule we multiply exponents. Let's look at a few more examples. Okay, this one we have 3 to the second power raised to the 5th. So again, we multiply the exponents. 2 times 5 is 10, so our answer will be 3 to the 10th power. Another one, 4 to the 8th power raised to the 6th. So 6 times 8 will be 48. So we get 4 to the 48th power. And if we had a calculator, we could plug in that, and it would come up to be a very large number. Now let's try it with a variable term. In this case, n is the variable. N is raised to the 7th power, and it's in parentheses, all raised to the 3rd power. So again, not anything is really different. We just multiply the exponents. 7 times 3 is 21. So we will get n to the 21st power is our answer. And one more example. Suppose we have 2 to the 5th power raised to the 8th power. Multiply 5 times 8 is 40, so we get 2 to the 40th power. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for my next video on the power rule. It will include some more examples that are a little more involved. Thank you.